Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Harun or Rashid, Assistant Teacher, Tangal Collectorate Girls High School and College. How are you, my dear students and honorable viewers? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All the students and honorable viewers, you are welcome from Tangal Online School. Now we are going to enjoy English class 7, subject English second paper, unit 5, listen to topic comparison of adjectives. Dear students, attention please, look at the board. I have written something on the board. Look at the board. Mahir is a tall boy. Sabbir is taller than Mahir. Rifat is the tallest of the three. Dear students, what you can see on the board? Mahir is a tall boy. Tall. First sentence. Second sentence. Sabbir is taller than Mahir. Taller. Rifat is the tallest of the three. Tallest. Dear students, same word, but using is different. Tall, taller, tallest. Do you know what kind of parts of speech the words tall, taller, tallest? I hope you know. This word is adjective. Tall, taller, tallest. This word is adjective. What is adjective? Dear students, now we will know what is adjective. Attention please, look at the board. The word that modifies a noun or a pronoun in a sentence is called an adjective. Dear students, look at the board. Tall. The word is modified the noun Mahir. Taller. It modifies Sabbir. Tallest. It modifies Rifat. So we can see the definition of adjective. The word that modifies a noun or a pronoun in a sentence is called an adjective. Dear students, now we will know about adjectives in details. First, we know three kinds of comparison of adjective. Dear students, three kinds of comparison of adjective. First, positive. Second, comparative. Third, superlative. Now we will know the definition of positive, comparative and superlative form. Dear students, you can write the definition on your khata. Now we will know the positive degree. The positive degree of the adjective. The positive degree of an adjective first positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective is in of an adjective is in its best is in its best is in its base. Adjective is in its base form. The positive degree base form. The positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Dear students, look at the board. When no comparison is made. Look at the board. The positive degree of an adjective is in its base form. The positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Dear students, at first I have written first line, Mahir is a tall boy. Tall, the adjective is no comparison is made in the first sentence. Mahir is a tall boy. Attention please, dear students. If you write the sentence, you can find out the positive degree tall. The positive degree of an adjective is in its base form. The positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Dear students, next, comparative. The comparative form is used. The comparative degree, the comparative degree, the comparative degree, the comparative form is used. Comparative form is used. Comparative form is used when a comparison is made. When a comparison is made between two persons or things. Between two persons and things. Dear students, attention please. The comparative form is used when a comparison is made between two persons and things. Dear students, superlative. The superlative degree is used to show, third number, the superlative degree is used. The superlative degree is used to show the highest degree, to show the highest degree, to show the highest degree or quality, quality when more than two things, quality when more than two things or persons, two things or two sets of things are compared, or two sets of things are compared. Dear students, look at the board and find out the meaning. Second sentence was Sabbir is taller than Mahir. Dear students, the comparative form or comparative degree is used when a comparison is made between two persons or things. Next, third sentence, Rifat is the tallest of the three. Dear students, third number, the superlative degree is used to show the highest degree or quality when more than two things or two sets of things are compared. Dear students, if you are attentive, you can find out the three kinds of comparison of degree. Three kinds of comparison degree. That now you have known the definition of positive, comparative and superlative degree. Dear students, you have to know the definition surely. I hope you will learn this definition. Dear students, most positive adjectives of one syllable. Now we will know about the word of adjective, the most positive adjectives of one syllable. Most positive adjectives, most positive adjectives, most positive adjectives of one syllable, of one syllable. S Y Y S Y L L A B L E, S Y L L A B L E. Syllable, one syllable. Take ER and EST to form take ER or EST. Take ER, EST, ER, EST to form comparative and superlative degree. To form comparative and superlative degree, comparative and superlative degrees respectively. Respectively. Dear students, now we will know examples. Positive, comparative, superlative. Dear students, follow the rules. Most positive adjectives of one syllable take ER or EST to comparative and superlative degrees respectively. Now we will know the examples. Bright, great, kind. Bright, GST, bright, great, kind, etc. Dear students, bright, positive, its comparative brighter, BRIGHTER. Superlative, brightest, TEST, brightest. Greater, greatest. Kinder, kindest. Dear students, follow the rules. Most positive degrees of one syllable. Bright, great, kind. This words is one syllable. Take ER or EST when we change comparative and superlative. Comparative form: bright, positive, comparative, brighter, superlative, brightest. We have added ER, EST, ER, EST, ER, EST. We have added ER and EST because the word is one syllable. For this, we can use ER and EST when we change the word comparative and superlative. Dear students, another rules. If you know the rules of positive, comparative and superlative, you can do better in your writing skill, in your exam. If you carry good marks, if you know properly, you should follow the rules of comparison of adjectives. Dear students, adjective, another rules. Now we will know another rules. Adjective ending is E and R. Next rule. Adjectives. Adjectives ending. Adjectives ending in. Ending in e or r. Only r. E or r. Adjective ending e add r. In e add r. Add r. Adjective ending e add r and st to form and st to form comparative and superlative degree respectively. To form comparative and superlative respectively. TIVELY respectively. Dear students, now we will know examples. Positive, comparative, superlative. Dear students, now we will know the examples. Able, brave, right, wise. Able, brave, right, wise. Dear students, follow the rules. Adjectives ending in e. The 4 words adjective ending e. Able e. Brave e. Right e. Wise e. Ending word is, ending letter is e. Ending letter is e. In this letter comparative we will add r. Abler, brave, braver, right, writer, wise, wiser. Dear students, if we can see the ending letter is e, we will add r and st. R and st to form comparative and superlative respectively. Dear students, we add r because the ending letter is e, and superlative form we will add st. Ablest, ablest, ablest. Bravest, bravest, bravest. Rightest, wisest. Dear students, look at the board. Adjectives ending in the letter is e, add r and st to form comparative and superlative respectively. Able, abler, ablest. Brave, braver, bravest. Right, writer, rightest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Dear students, if you know the rules, I hope you can understand. Dear students, next class we will discuss about another topic of comparison of adjective. Thank you everybody.